Mornings are hard, but we get to drink the bottle. Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, 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 blah. Oh, blah, blah, blah.
Blah, 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 blah. The device is going into a custom box. Got everything back together almost. Just gluing in this power supply. And I'm gonna Velcro the Raspberry Pi inside of the box so we can get it in and out if we need to. There it all is. I should have left the headphone cord a little bit longer, but whatever. Now we'll plug this in and see if we light our office on fire. So far so good. No smoke. Got green lights all around, except for, oh, there goes the green blinking light on the Raspberry Pi. And it works. Sort of paleo, sort of low carb at Southern. I got the hot. Delicious.
Oh, nice. Put it in a different box?
Yeah.
A real box.
Looks really good. You kept the volume higher too, didn't you?
No, the speaker cabinet, back from my days of making speaker cabinets.
Amplifies it.
To the back of your car. Yeah.
James once built a, we had two 10-inch subwoofers in the back of a 72 Super Beetle. Boom!
Right.
That's one.
My posse's on Broadway for Maximum Bump.
15-inch woofers, boom in the trunk. Posse on Broadway for Maximum Bump.
Okay, we're done.
Yeah, but Tim really hates it, so we just keep doing it by his desk. Oh, not feeling very good after last night's trip to Tucker's and Brennan's. So I'm just gonna get some simple stuff to eat for dinner. Maybe reuse some of the stuff we got. Testing out the Hero 4 in the case to see what the mic sounds like. And there's not gonna be a cooking show tonight. Just checking to see if the light looks better than the session and if it sounds as good even though it's in a case. Look how big you are. Are you gonna washa? No, here's the impromptu quick dinner. Hooray!
Success.
I'm supposed to distract you while Mama eats her tacos. What are we gonna do? I don't know. How are your tacos?
Really good.
They're not too spicy? That's because I put that taco meat I made for myself in the colander and rinsed it off. And then instead of just giving her wet taco meat, I put it back in the cast iron pan that I just cleaned and reheated it and dried it out. That's love.
That is love.